So OnePlus Buds 3 continue the design language of the previous OnePlus Buds Pro 2. It comes in two colors, space gray and color sea blue, with a personalized style. Each hair weight 4.8 gram. It uses compressed coating and metal coating process, and the seamless anti-grating design of the shell can present a high emission aluminum alloy texture, making the headphone look even more sparkling. OnePlus Buds 3 has excellent performance in 5 dimensions: timbre, vocal performance, sense of space, bass performance, and clarity, and supports up to 44 hours of battery life. It is understood that the OnePlus Buds 3 uses a 10.4 mm composite diaphragm woofer. The 10.4 mm diaphragm woofer unit and a 6 mm treble plane diaphragm unit can bring a wider frequency response range. The bass is powerful, the treble is crisp and pure, and the sound separation can also be better. In terms of sound quality adjustment, OnePlus Buds 3 also received key adjustment from the Oppo team and the Golden Earth team, giving it the 90-year-old Blu-ray gene. At the same time, OnePlus Buds 3 also support Golden Hidden 2.0, which can adjust the sound performance according to user different ear canal and the environmental factor, bringing a real-distance experience closer to user. In terms of connectivity, OnePlus Buds 3 also supports LHDC 5.0 ultra high definition audio, which can transmit audio with a lower latency and a higher bitrate. The new product also supports 3D spatial audio function and high tracking, which can bring a more impressive listening experience regardless of the device or sound source. It supports a noise reduction depth of 49 dB and noise reduction bandwidth of 4K Hz. This noise reduction data is also the first among flagship headphones. OnePlus Buds 3 is also full of features. The new product supports 44 hours of ultra long battery life. It can be used for 7 hours after charging for 10 minutes. OnePlus Buds 3 comes with iP55 dustproof and waterproof, so there is no problem if it is splashed by rain outside of city during exercise. Other features including Bluetooth 5.3, 3 microphone, AL car noise reduction, dual device connection, and pressure sensitive operation system. OnePlus Buds 3 prices $499, $17. Global launch date on 23 January 2024, alongside with OnePlus 12, OnePlus 12R.